Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Facebook login in mobile apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have an active Facebook developer account. Access the Facebook developers portal at developers.facebook.com. Create a new app by clicking on the Create App button. Choose an appropriate option from the list, such as consumer or business, based on your app type. Fill in the required details, including the app name, email, and purpose of the app. After creating the app, navigate to the Settings section in the left sidebar. Look for Basic Settings and enter the package name for Android apps or the bundle identifier for iOS apps. Scroll down to find the Facebook login option and click on it. In the Facebook login settings, set the redirect URIs for the authentication process. Now, move to the Products section and select Facebook Login. Then, configure the OAuth settings by enabling the option to use the OAuth. In your mobile app project, integrate the Facebook SDK for your platform. For Android, add the required dependencies in your build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the Facebook SDK. After setting up the SDK, initialize the Facebook SDK in your main application class. Then, create a login button in your app's layout to trigger the authentication process. In the login button's on-click listener, implement the code to initiate the login with Facebook. Use the Login Manager class to start the login process and request necessary permissions. Handle the login callback to capture the result of the login attempt. Check if the login was successful and retrieve the access token. If successful, you can use the token to make API calls or fetch user information. Finally, log out the user with the Login Manager when they choose to exit the app. Ensure that you test the Facebook login integration thoroughly on both Android and iOS devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.